The fastest way to set a price alert isn't actually going on the alert panel up top. Instead, it's right-clicking the chart at the exact level you care about. Say that I want to alert at 320.53. All I have to do is put my cursor there and right-click on the chart. Now you'll see a dialog pop up. Add alert on Apple at 320.53. Just click right here. Now the alert dialog opens pre-filled with that level. No typing the number in and manually clicking the alert button up top. I just have to set the condition right here. Let's go with crossing up. Now I can add more conditions or even change the price here, change the trigger, expiration, message, and notifications. And I'm going to change the trigger to only once. Then let's click create. Now you'll notice a horizontal line just came on our chart. Now the cool thing about this is, say our alert is changed and we want a different number. We don't have to manually edit it. Simply hover over the line and just move it. Let's move it up a little. Awesome. Have a great day, guys.